Hi, my name is Xinyuan Xu. My topic is Teflon. So today I will talk about Teflon, like what it is, where it's used, and how it can affect our health and environment. In this presentation, I will explain the chemical used in Teflon and why it's a global environmental health issues and review regulatory response and challenges, and also present global impact and solutions. And we have the 10 we have 10 continents about the talk. The first is what is Teflon, uses of Teflon, fast chemicals, exposure pathways, health effects, regulation and policy, global impact, case study, solutions, and final is the summary. So what is the Teflon? Teflon is the brand name for PTFE. It's like the short word, a chemical that is very slippery and heat resistant. And it was discovered by DuPont in 1938. It is used in many products like pens, jackets, wears, and known for non-stick, waterproof, and heat-resistant properties. Company use FARS, which is very, like I said before, very persistent chemicals, and FARS stay environment and in the human body for many years. The use of Teflon. Teflon is used in non-stick cookware, like frying pan, which I show this down below, and is also used in waterproof jackets, firefighting foam, and electrical insulation. These products help in daily life, but they also increase fast exposure. Even small everyday items can release this chemical into the environment. We're going to talk about fats in US blood levels over time. And this is the line graph. And the line graph shows PFOS and PFOA levels in human blood over time. After in the early 2000s, the level dropped sharply because the company stopped using some fats. But even today, like still 97% of Americans still have fats in their blood. So these chemicals are hard to get rid of once they enter in our body. We also are gonna talk about health effects of fats. And this chart shows some serious health problems linked to the fats. The serious disease, high cholesterol, infertility, and the cancer. These effects has been found in our both animal and human studies. Long-term exposure through water and food increases the risk. The fast exposure pathway. We also have a chart. This is a pie chart. This shows how people are exposed to fast. Drinking water is the biggest source. It's like the 40%, and followed by the food packaging is 30%, and non-stick cookware is like the 20%. And even the indoor dust can also contain fats, which is 10%. This shows that exposure can happen anywhere. We are also gonna talk about the EPA versus EU PHOA drinking water limits. This table shows the limits for PFOA in drinking water. The EPA in the US now allows only 4 nanograms per liter, while EU still have 100. This US limit became stricter in 2023. These numbers shows the regulations are changing, but they are not the same everywhere. Next, we will talk about case study. This case happened in West Virginia. DuPont released PFOA into the water for many years. People in the town got sick with cancer and birth problems, and they sued DuPont in 2005 and they win. The story became the movie Dark Waters, and this movie helped raise public awareness about FARS. So basically, I just talked about those stuff, and here's the summary. The Teflon product contains FARS, which are toxic and persistent. And exposure is very common through water, food, and air. Health effects include cancer, hormone problems, and immune damage. Some countries are setting stricter limits, but global action is still needed. And the last page is just some reference.